What's up, everybody? Today we got another one on the EK hatch project. If you saw last week's video, you saw that we were able to get it started, but there's something in the bottom end that's messed up. So today we're just going to go ahead and pull the head off and figure out exactly what's wrong with this thing. So this video is probably going to be mostly just a time lapse. If I had to guess, I'd say it's probably going to be about a 3-minute long time lapse. And then once the head's pulled, we'll switch over and show y'all what we found. Alright, I'm not 100% sure if I got everything off, but I got what I can see, and I think it's most of everything. So I already got the head bolts loose and everything. Go ahead and pry on it a little bit, see if I can get it to break loose, and see if anything else is still attached. Alright, so it feels like there might be a couple of plugs still plugged in on the back there. Looks like it's just one coolant hose, so that's not too bad. Missed the ground that goes to the core support right here. Alright, so I guess I missed two things. A coolant hose and a ground. There it is, head's off. Let's see what kind of damage we can find. Alright, so looking at the head, it seems alright. Nothing majorly wrong with it. And I come over here to the bottom end. Piston number 4 is all the way at the bottom, and piston number 1's at the top. I can't believe this thing actually ran. And I found the window right down there. See if I can't get some light in there. So there's a pretty good sized hole in the block right there. So I'll go ahead and get this thing up in the air, get it up on jack stands, and go ahead and rip the oil pan off, and then I'll catch up with y'all whenever we're sliding the oil pan out of here. Alright, I lifted this thing up, got all the oil pan bolts and everything out. It's still on there. Found a couple pieces of the block under there. We'll go ahead and get this oil pan ripped off there. Oh, I forgot to drain it.
Here's the bolt.
Look at that rod bolt. There's the other rod bolt. It's snapped. Hey, it's still bolted together though. Bearing. Bunch of rod. There's some block. Some more rod. So other nut for the rod bolt. Some more bearing. And y'all heard in the last video when this thing started, there was no knocking or anything, so this thing got chewed up fast whenever it broke. Still some more chunks down here in the bottom. Oh, it's just all the little stuff. Here's our main bits though. There's a good shot of the hole in the block. See if you can you see my finger?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so there's the hole in the block. And then if you look under here, the crank girdle's broken. You can see the hole right up there. Then you can see part of the rod. Stuck up there. And then all that damage up there by the piston. So the piston is completely stuck in the cylinder. And what's left of the rod that's still connected to the piston looks like it's wedged itself inside the bottom of the cylinder wall. Now whoever blew this thing up blew it up good. I bet that was fun. Wish we could get that piston out of there. Oh well. Well, I guess that's gonna be all for this one. Thanks for watching. If you want to see some more Civic stuff, there ain't no telling what we'll get into next, but go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next week for another one.